Hello student, good morning to all. Today I am going to take lecture of 9th class and today's chapter motion and the topic speed and velocity. Okay, so speed. What is speed? The distance traveled by object per unit time is known as speed. The distance covered by object per second or per unit time. You can say per second or per unit time is known as speed. Or in other words, you can say when the distance traveled by object is divided by the time taken is known as speed. So as you can see, distance is a scalar quantity. It means the speed is also a scalar quantity, because to find speed there is need only magnitude, there is no need of direction. Okay, so speed is a scalar quantity. You have to know that the speed is a scalar quantity. Okay, and the unit, what about unit? The unit of speed is based on unit of distance and unit of time. So as you know, the unit of distance in MK system is meter and the unit of time is second. So the unit of time is meter upon second, or you can say meter second inverse. This is the unit of speed. This is SI unit. If you wanted to find the CGS unit, the CGS unit is equal to the CGS unit of distance is centimeter. And the time is second. So the CGS unit of distance is centimeter upon second. Okay, and if you wanna to find the largest unit of speed, so large unit of speed is given as kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour is the large unit of speed. Okay, so I hope you understood about speed. This definition, it is a scalar quantity, SI unit meter per second. serious unit centimeter second, and larger unit of speed is kilometer per second. In vehicles there are speedometer to find the speed of vehicle. Okay, an odometer is used to find the distance traveled by object during journey. Okay, so now the second velocity. What is velocity? The velocity, the displacement in position of object, the displacement in position of object per unit time is known as velocity. Okay, so it means, in other words, you can say the distance covered by object per second in a certain direction. The distance covered by object per unit time in a certain direction is known as velocity. Okay, so in other words, you can say the velocity equal to when displacement divided by time is given as velocity. And as you can see, the distance, the displacement is a vector quantity, so there is a need of direction as well as magnitude to represent velocity. So it means velocity is a vector quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Now we have to discuss about the unit of velocity. The SI unit of velocity is unit of displacement and unit of time. So as you know, the unit of displacement is meter and time is second. So it means meter second inverse is the unit of velocity, SI unit of velocity. And CGS unit is given as centimeter per second, because as you know, centimeter is the CGS unit of displacement and second the unit of time. So centimeter second inverse. and the larger unit is kilometer per hour. So these are the unit of velocity. So now we have to find some differences between speed and velocity. Write one side speed and second side velocity. Speed, distance covered, per second is known as velocity, the displacement per second. It means you can say distance covered per second in a certain direction. Known as velocity. It means the speed is a scalar quantity. It is a vector quantity. The speed may be positive. The speed is positive. And the velocity is also positive. In a certain direction, in given direction. And unit are same. The speed is meter per second as a unit, and the velocity is also meter per second. Okay, so you have to write about the velocity and the speed in your class notebook, and if you have doubt you can ask. Okay, you can send me your question. Thank you very much. In my next class I will discuss about the acceleration. Thank you very much.